Just a quick warning here, guys, on the aftermarket clutch reset toolkit like this here. Not necessarily OMT. It's usually a good brand here, but a lot of these aftermarket kits, especially the ones that do not mount in a vise. This one does. See right here, that mounts in a vise. But there's a clutch kit. I'll put on a picture on the screen here that you can use to compress the clutch and lock it without a vise. Those in particular have an issue where they powder coat the area that goes into the clutch. And this portion right here that my finger's on, it's kind of raised up right here. That goes into one of the bearings on the clutch. And with the powder coating, it's thicker right here. And then it gets stuck in the bearing, and then you can't get the tool off. And then, so you beat it off, and then it knocks the bearing race and knocks the bearing apart. That this slid into right here, this area. So it destroys the clutch essentially. So that's something that's an issue people have been having, these aftermarket clutch reset kits. And so what you can do is, before you put one of these on your clutch, this area with the raised partition right here, just see if there's powder coating on it, see if it feels thick. And if there is, just get some sandpaper, a wire brush, or something like that, and just pull this washer off, and then just sand it down to bare metal so it doesn't get caught up in your clutch and break it. You can also put a little bit of penetrating oil on it, just wet your finger before you put it in. And just, just every little bit helps. Again, this is an OMT kit. I don't think that would happen because it's not powder coated there. But if you're not using a factory clutch reset kit, I'm going to go ahead and say just all of them, just go ahead and sand this down to bare metal to be safe. I'll put a link for this kit down below. I do, once again, recommend the kits where the mounts into a vise right there. They don't seem to have those issues, and you can have better control over it because this isn't going to move around on you. So, all right, I hope this video helps. If you got any questions, let me know below. I've also got a Facebook and Discord group, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. I was a Ford tech for 11 years, transmission specialist, and now I make videos to help people out with their transmission issues. Bye-bye.